Hi, this is James, and we're talking about the Wodaholic competition 2015, WOD number 1, which is called the old ball and chain with the sled pulls. We're going to start by discussing the sled pull itself and how that's going to work on a same-sex team. So the girls are ready here. What we're going to do is on the sound of 3, 2, 1, go, both athletes have to be standing on the mat, ready to go. On the sound of 3, 2, 1, go, the first athlete would then grab the reins and begin to pull. She has to go all the way down to the mark at the end. Both feet have to cross the line. She can then turn around, come back. Both feet have to touch the black mat. She can hand it off. Then the second athlete can then go. She's going to go. Both feet have to cross. Then she can return. Has to stay in her lane. Good job. And she would return and touch the black mat. Now this would continue until they've completed 6 total cycles of the sled pull. Now in the event of a male team, once the athlete comes back, the female athlete on a co-ed team, she comes back as soon as she crosses the line. The male athlete will have his plates. He will then add his plates to the weights, then grab the reins and take off. When he comes back and touches the mat, the female athlete can then come off, take the plate off. So we're going to take the plate off because it has to go back to her weight. And then she could then go in this cycle. Now in that fashion, you can go in any order that you want. You can go, but it has to alternate. It can be guy first or girl first, doesn't matter. Now once they've completed the sled pulls, they're going to push the reins out of the way. Go ahead and get their kettlebell, and they can begin doing their 100 kettlebell swings. And it's just one kettlebell for female team. So go ahead and start. So she would begin. The athlete has to be on the mat in order to complete their swings. You have to represent full lockout of the knees, hips, shoulders, and elbows. As soon as she's tired, she has to place the kettlebell down. The second female athlete can then jump in and continue. Now a lot of questions on how to place. Go ahead and stop right there. Now let's do where you're facing each other. So both females on the mat, kind of facing each other. This is acceptable as well. So go ahead and do like 3. To make it a little bit quicker, a lot of athletes are doing this where once they get fatigued, they're placing the kettlebell down. Second athlete's picking it up. It's a little bit quicker. And then she's continuing. All right. Now in the event of a co-ed team, there's going to be 2 kettlebells. And you can do this however you want. You can be facing side to side. You can be facing each other. It doesn't matter. So go ahead and start your kettlebell swings. And just do like 3 or 4. As soon as she becomes fatigued, I can be ready, but I can't pick it up. As soon as she places it down, then I can pick it up and I can start. She can be ready. As soon as I place it down, then she can start. And this would continue until you're done with all 100 kettlebell swings. As soon as the kettlebell swings are done, then you're going to move the kettlebells out of the way and grab the jump ropes. Now the person jump roping has to be on the black surface. So go ahead and do a couple, and you can face any direction, doesn't matter. Whenever she becomes fatigued and decides to trade out, she steps off. Second athlete will then come in, and you would just keep doing this until the remainder of the 9 minutes is up. Now again, for RX, it is double unders. For skilled and beginner, you can do double unders or singles, but it's an equal ratio, 1 to 1. All right, ladies, thank you.